Hey, are you feeling overwhelmed, just completely exhausted, stressed out, but you're actually not doing anything to fix it? Well, just stop right now and hear us out. You see, my name is Demir Bentley.
Hey, I'm Carrie. And 10 years ago, we decided to leave our corporate jobs because we were literally getting physically ill with stress and overwhelm.
We were shaving years off of our life because of the way that we were working, and the way we set up our life was essentially killing us.
And that was simply not okay with us. And so we drew a line in the sand and we had an office space moment where we decided to create a better way.
We optimized our productivity and our workflow. We created systems in our business.
And guess what? That enabled us to create the unthinkable, which was absolute, undeniable freedom.
Our friends started asking us, how do you guys do this? How do you work so hard and so effectively and love your life at home? And so we started Lifehack Bootcamp to bring this knowledge, to bring this work to the world.
Today, we designed a life that puts us at the center. And after over 10 years of refining over and over what works and what doesn't work, we're now regularly featured on Forbes. We do seminars all around the world, and we teach peak performers how to kick butt at work without hating their life at home.
So if you want to become the best version of yourself, it all starts with just one click. Subscribe here right now.
You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So join the movement and get started now.
Guys, you deserve to live a life that is truly fulfilling.